Welcome to Byte Further. In today's video, you'll learn how to factory reset an iPhone 15 when locked. Most of us tend to perform a factory reset using the Erase All Content and Settings feature. However, when you get locked out of iPhone 15 due to forgotten passcode, freezing lock screen or passcode entry not accepted, you can't access the Settings app to reset. You may wonder how to reset an iPhone 15 when locked out. If you're feeling lost, we're here to guide you. We've spent time researching the available methods and now we summarize them for you here. Here's a reminder. After the reset, all your personal files, essential contacts and other important data stored on your iPhone 15 will be removed permanently unless you have backups for them. Take a moment to consider your decision before proceeding. If you choose to move forward, follow the steps outlined here sequentially until you successfully wipe a locked iPhone 15. Don't forget to give this video a like or a super thanks if you think this video is good and helps. Now, let's start. Step 1. Erase your iPhone 15 in the unavailable screen. To try this way, the following requirements must be met. Your iPhone 15 has an internet connection. The device has inserted a physical SIM card or activated eSIM. You know the linked Apple account credentials. If you qualify, attempt these instructions. First of all, reach the unavailable screen. Input the passcode incorrectly 5 times in a row, then an unavailable screen will show up. At the bottom right corner of the screen, there is a Forgot Passcode option. Tap the option. In the next screen, tap the Start iPhone Reset or the iPhone Reset button. When asked, enter the password to sign out of your Apple ID. After that, tap Erase iPhone to initiate the factory reset process. The erase process may take longer to finish based on the size of stored data. When finished, your iPhone 15 will boot up to a hello screen. Now that you've managed to factory reset the locked iPhone 15, you have the option to either set it up as a new device or trade it in as needed. Step 2. Connect the locked iPhone 15 to a computer to reset it. To try this way, the following requirements must be met. Keep a Windows or Mac OS computer at your disposal. Download and install the latest version of iTunes or Apple devices on PC, or get the latest Mac OS version. Get a genuine cable that's compatible with your iPhone 15. If you qualify, attempt these instructions. Plug your iPhone 15 into a computer where it's recently connected before. Open iTunes, Finder or Apple Devices app. If the program quickly detects your iPhone 15, then click Restore in the program window to factory reset the phone. If the program fails to discover your iPhone 15, unplug it from the computer and follow these steps to put it into recovery mode. Press both the power button and volume down button and hold them. Then, slide to power off your iPhone 15. When the phone is off, connect the cable to it while pressing the power button for a while. Keep holding even when an Apple logo appears. When getting the restore screen with a link address in the picture like this, let go of the key. At the same time, you'll get a message on the window of iTunes, Finder, or Apple Devices app. To reset a locked iPhone 15, click Restore, choose Restore and Update, click Next, then click Agree. The restore process will begin soon, as well as the software download and installation. After completion and restart, your iPhone 15 will be reset to the hello screen. To regain access to the device as soon as possible, set it up from scratch or restore from backups. Step 3. Log into iCloud.com to erase a locked iPhone 15. To try this way, the following requirements must be met. Your iPhone 15 has an internet connection. Find My or Find iPhone option is enabled on your iPhone 15. You know the linked Apple account credentials. You have another accessible phone, tablet, or computer. If you qualify, attempt these instructions. To begin, open a web browser and navigate to iCloud.com. Sign in using your Apple ID and password. If two-factor authentication is enabled, it'll require you to input the verification code sent to other devices linked to the same Apple ID. After logging in, scroll down the web page to click the Find iPhone icon. At the next device list, choose the name of your locked iPhone 15. Then, click on the Erase iPhone option. Click the Erase option to confirm your choice. If your iPhone 15 is connected to a stable network, it will be erased within minutes. After the process finishes, your iPhone 15 will reboot and show the hello screen. At this stage, the factory reset process is done. Step 4. Take the phone to the service center. If none of the steps above work, contact the official Apple support online about tips to erase a locked iPhone 15. Or, make an appointment at the Genius Bar and visit an authorized Apple service provider or Apple store next to your place. Provide them with the information they need and see if they have any useful tips. That's all for how to factory reset iPhone 15 when locked out. If you find this video helpful, please buy a super thanks for this video and give this video a like. Your support means a lot to us to deliver more useful videos to help those in need. Also, if you have any further questions, feel free to write them down in the comments below and I'll reply ASAP. To learn more tech tips about iPhones, subscribe to the Byte Further channel. Now, you can click another video on the screen to keep watching.